What's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech TRX back in our video, and today we're looking at the Deebot N8 Pro Plus by ECOVACS. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of next videos come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 113.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Smart home robotics company and the pioneer of all-in-one vacuum and mop in one go robots, ECOVACS has launched their newest product family, the Deebot N series of robot vacuums with Osmo mopping. Leading the line are the N8 Plus and the N8 Pro Plus, taking the best-selling features of Deebot robots today, including laser mapping capabilities and unmatched object detection, but adding supercharged suction power and an auto empty station to make cleaning that much easier and even more hassle-free. Let's go ahead and open this up. The box is pretty organized as well, so it comes with compartments like this. So for example, this one has the vacuum. Let's open this up. Pretty good design as well. Great packaging by ECOVACS. Instruction as well. Some accessory box. This comes with the microfiber. Comes with 10 pieces as well. This is what the pad looks like. It's actually nicer quality. It's not just has a padding inside. It'll suck up more water. Pretty nice, good addition by ECOVACS. Has a couple of bags as well. Instruction manual, power plug right there. Couple of brushes. There we go. Then it comes with the base as well. And voila. The N8 Pro Plus has a high suction power without the loud noise. Despite extremely high suction power, the N8 Pro Plus includes a new fan motor design with added glass fiber to maintain durability and keep a low noise level. The N8 Pro Plus includes a 2600 PA suction power to remove stubborn dirt and debris in one pass. It also has greater performance for more efficient cleaning, powered by a DTOF laser sensor. The N8 Pro Plus true mapping technology can provide nearly 2 times greater range, up to 10 meters, and 4 times greater accuracy compared to previous Deebot generations. The advanced technology also scans floors with a 360-degree sweep to plan the most efficient cleaning path while creating and saving a precise interactive map of your floor. The N8 Pro Plus includes a true detect and intelligent 3D obstacle avoidance technology that uses 3D structured light technology to detect, avoid, and clean around furniture and objects like shoes and cords so that you don't need to clean before cleaning. True Detect precisely scans for depth and distance to create a fast and accurate 3D image of space and objects down to the millimeter level. It also has all-in-one mopping and vacuuming. Both the N8 Plus and the N8 Pro Plus include the Osmo mopping system, which enables precise electronic water flow control, removing 99.26% of bacteria. Osmo also includes auto carpet detection when mopping so that you don't go over wet floors, and auto boost when vacuuming on carpets for a stronger clean. It also has seamless smart home capabilities for a personalized clean. An even more personalized cleaning experience is delivered with an in-app advanced custom cleaning options, including being able to assign cleaning modes per room or area, and even divide, merge, and label rooms on different floors. The N series also allows for the creation of virtual boundaries and voice controlled commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The other feature as well is the months of maintenance free cleaning. The N8 Pro Plus are the first laser equipped robots at retail to come with an auto empty station for months of maintenance free cleaning. They also come with hypoallergenic dust bags that auto seals so no cloud of dust escapes in the air. It's also good for 110 minutes of runtime. Extend runtime above the industry average for an uninterrupted clean. The N8 Pro Plus also include the Smart Charge continuous cleaning. If the robot runs out of battery while cleaning, it automatically goes back to the station to charge just enough to finish the job. So we just finished cleaning the main floor, including the tile side, kitchen side, dining room, even the living room here with the carpet side. And as you could see, I was able to come to the base and empty the dustbin, clearing it out altogether. To take off the filters, all you need to do is just clip it on like so. Press the red button right here, and then it will open the door so that you can clean thoroughly inside by washing it. This is also what it looks like after the self-cleaning base has sucked out all the dirt. And once you're all done checking that, you can go ahead and put it back like so. Really easy, really snappy. It also comes with this brush that you can use so that you can clip off some hairs that are tangled on the brushes. Now, to access the brush on the bottom of the vacuum is really easy as well. 2 clips, just pulls it up. You can pull this off, this brush right here. Take off all the hair, wash it off. And then once you're all done, putting it back is real easy as well. With 1 clip right in there. And then you're just gonna put the cover back on and make sure that it clicks so that it's actually intact and you're good to go. The price for the N8 Plus is $599 on ECOVACS.com and available on Best Buy now. The N8 Pro Plus will be $699 on Amazon. Everything will be linked down below.
And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new robot vacuum mop with True Detect 3D sensors with a self-cleaning base as well. This is the Deebot N8 Pro Plus by ECOVACS. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.